I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes, I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Okay, let's meet the letter G. These words start with G. Green grass and grapes. Green grass and grapes. I'll start with G. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter G with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big G or the little G? Okay, let's draw the big G first. Start at the top, curve around the cookie, draw a line in, now let's spin. Great job drawing the big G. Now let's draw the little G. Draw a little circle, give it a long tail, curl it in, now let's spin. Great job! Let's do that again. Draw a little circle, now give it a tail, curl it in, now let's spin. Great job, friends! Do you remember what letter we met today? That's right, the letter G. Thank you for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.